Are you a high-level automotive repair professional who needs a new home? A place where you can max out your current skills, learn new ones, make good money, and feel appreciated? The grass really is greener at A1 Custom Car Care. Dustin Atwood is living his dream with A1.
Hello, my name's Dustin Atwood. I'm the operations manager for A1 Custom Car Care. I was not always the operations manager. I started as an apprentice technician. I'm now master certified not only in automotive repair, but medium and heavy duty truck. The company saw that that was something that was important to me, and they got behind me and really helped and invested in me as well to get to those points because they were important to me. What I see now in my role as we start to invest is that it's very important to have a good company culture. That's a buzzword at the moment, but what that means to me is I want to be as devoted to this company as they are to me. And because they have really invested in what's important to me, we've had some amazing success. So we want to make sure that we are focused on continuing our education to where the industry just doesn't pass us by. And we do that with our staff, with our team, with our family that we come to work with every day. At one point in time, I worked for the company for about a year, and I decided that, hey, the grass was greener on the other side, and I actually quit and left. Very quickly, I saw that not every company, not every team of owners, not every management team was created equal. And all of a sudden, I was just a number for somebody else. So thankfully, I was able to call that back, come back to work for A1. That's been well over 15 years ago now. I choose to come to work here every day. It has its struggles, but anything that is worth doing is gonna have some challenges, and we accept those challenges. So what we're doing here is sharing some of that information with you, making sure that, hey, if you're in a position that you really enjoy, excellent. If you're not, or the company that you're with, or the trade school you're with isn't giving you what you need to be successful, you need to continue to look for somebody that's gonna get in your corner. And that, I can definitely say, A1 Custom Car Care has done for me.
Are you an aspiring auto repair technician? A1 offers a pathway to success with strong mentoring by seasoned veterans, company-paid training, and an ASE certification program. Eddie Cervantes started with A1 Custom Car Care in 2017 as a lube tech. Today, he is halfway to becoming an ASE Certified Master Mechanic and is performing advanced auto repairs and maintenance at the Republic shop.
So I've been doing this about 3.5 years. I've been mentored by James, who's been a master tech longer than I've been alive. I feel like I've been able to do a lot more than what somebody doing this for 3 years would be able to do with just learning on their own. We do a whole bunch of training. Sometimes we'll even hold smaller sessions in our home office. The past 3 years, I've gone to at least 20 classes. We actually get paid an hourly bonus for going to these classes. We have to keep up so many hours every quarter. I don't really have a bad day. I can't think of a day where I go home and say, man, I really don't want to go to work tomorrow. They value family a lot, so much that they even included a paternity leave for us, which I actually got to use last year. I've definitely gained the confidence to pretty much do any job without worrying about, man, how am I gonna put this back together? You know, because I've developed a routine. I know what to do now.
A1 Custom Car Care provides an excellent pay plan, benefits, and lucrative bonuses. But it's not all about the money. Owners Lois and Kenny Schulte believe in treating company staff like family. That's why there's not much employee turnover at A1. Most of the staff have been with the company for several years. Hardworking, excellent, customer service, and professional pride are all acknowledged and appreciated. Harlan is an industry professional with over 40 years of experience who found a home with A1.
Hi, I'm Harlan Lupton, and I've been with A1 Custom Car Care just a couple of years now, but I really do like it here. They give us the tools that we need to do the job. We have good benefits, paid time off, sick leave. What I like the best about is the owners, the managers. They never talk down to you. You're not treated like you're a number. You're not treated like you're a peon, never told shut up and get to work. You're treated like a very valuable asset here, and I very much appreciate that. It's taken me more than 40 years to find this job, and this is where I plan on finishing my career. If you like a job where you'll be treated well, this is the place.
A1 Custom Car Care is growing. Whether you're an industry veteran like Harlan or an aspiring technician like Eddie, we'd love to hear from you.